What movie have you playing with the kitty?
This is the best
Is it the
toy
kitty's
ever.
new toy? Let go, kitty. Logan wants to see it go. Let go, kitty. The kitty caught it. Bailey. You're not supposed to catch it even though it's your toy. What's it doing, Logan? What do you think, Logan? He's gonna get another piece of ribbon. Look at that. Papa coming down.
I got the car started.
Okay. He just wanted to say good morning to his Auntie KK before he left.
Got you.
Uh-oh. You got kisses on you now.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.